Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Azure ML SDK for experiment tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Azure website. In the search bar, type Azure Machine Learning SDK. Select the appropriate link that leads to the Azure Machine Learning documentation. Scroll through the documentation until you find the section on the Azure Machine Learning SDK. Click on the link that details the installation process of the SDK. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. If you do not have Python, download and install it from the official Python website. Once Python is installed, open your command prompt or terminal. To install the Azure ML SDK, type the command pip install Azure ML SDK. Press Enter to execute the command. The system will connect to the Python package index and download the SDK. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you can verify the installation by typing pip show Azure ML SDK. Press Enter to see the details of the installed package. Now, let's create a new Python script to confirm that the SDK is functioning properly. Open your preferred code editor or integrated development environment. In your editor, create a new file and name it test_azure_ml.py. In this file, import the Azure ML SDK by adding the line import. Next, check the SDK version by adding the line print azureml.core.version. Save the file. Now, return to your command prompt or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved test_azure_ml.py. Run the script by typing python test_azure. Press Enter to run the test. If everything was installed correctly, you will see the version of the Azure ML SDK displayed in your terminal. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and verified the Azure ML SDK for experiment tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.